Honda Rice boy, the wing like this far off of the trunk. It's crazy. That junk is crazy. Oh my God. Big difference. Okay, so before all I had was just a coder inductions, coder intake, and a tune. So that was it. So now I got a 103mm throttle body from katech. We got the MSD. I cleaned up the edges a little bit. I guess you ported it a little bit. Then we got the Roto Fab. I switched to a Roto Fab. And we got E85. So once I get the headers, this gonna be a whole nother ball game. You know, the headers, even the sound just make you feel like you're going faster too, but as y'all can see, we in the car today. Finally, we got the computer and the tuner. I'm getting in touch with the tuner right now. So this video is just for entertainment and, you know, to get your knowledge up on how to get the car tuned and what's the process. So right now I put my payment information. I pay him through PayPal. I put my information in. Gonna give him the payment through PayPal. He's gonna get up on his computer. He's gonna connect to my computer with the AnyDesk app on the computer. You plug the tuner in your car. He's gonna go through the whole process, but I already did it. I'm just getting it retuned. So yeah, we're just gonna be data logging and all that kind of stuff today. So turn on the laptop so he connect to this bad boy. Make sure it's connected to the internet. Send him the code so he can log into my computer. And y'all see, there you go right there. He's working all up in it. He's on the tuner. He's gonna do everything for you. He's gonna walk you through it. Of course, I'm not gonna show all this. I'm just gonna show the logging. There we go. He's scanning the vehicle and all that. So he does everything for you. Tuning is not as hard as you think. Here we go. It ain't been started in a while. Oh, you can smell how much gas he put in there. I can smell it. It just popped right out as soon as he did it. Man, he wrote my tune. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Forget it acts funny when you tuning. It don't want to start. You gotta turn the car off, close the door, then turn it on. Need a wide open throttle pull from like 20 to 60. Okay, then head back and leave it running. Okay. So we about to get our first. Is it 20 to 65 at wide open throttle, and then we gonna come back. I'm gonna turn on the other GoPro so you guys can see the RPMs and stuff and all that. See what this thing do, man. I turned my pedal commander off. I think I'm gonna eventually take it off. Yeah, I don't know yet. So, this thing ain't been out the garage in a week and a couple days, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, when he be tuning, I be scared to touch the pedal, man. You don't know how. But I know he ain't did nothing to it yet. It's like, it's in limp mode right now. Wait for this truck to stop. I don't know how slow this thing going. Or how fast it's about to go. Let's see something. Effortlessly, and he didn't even turn it all the way up yet. Oh my god, y'all, That wasn't even wide open throttle. Like, low-key, I was scared to touch it. Hold on, y'all. We about to go to my spot, and we about to hit it. We about to hit it, y'all. We coming in hot. There we go. Little crackles. Second gear. Oh my God, it's ripping. Oh my God. It just keep on pulling. Oh my God. What's making this feel so much better is like I built this car myself. I swear that's what's making it feel so much better. Of course, it's a newer car, it's already fast, but you know, it's just that feeling. He told me to give him one pull, I got two. Got a little carried away. I'm gonna just get on some normal driving in too, though, so you can see. Yeah, we just data logging too, so he didn't even turn it all the way up yet. So this should be real interesting when he get to that point. We just doing some 20 to 65s right now. So. All right, y'all, so we back. Let me turn these lights on because y'all can't see me. But we back. So we did our little data log. I had a little bit of happy feet. He told me to get one wide open throttle pull of 20 to 65. I might give him like 2 or 3. But he said, I told him I had happy feet. He said, I bet. He said, key off, please. Oh, man. All right. He said it look good. But I knew it felt pretty. I was about to turn off, but, you know, I just had to tell you how I felt about the tune. It did feel like, it just feel like it was just kept on pulling and pulling. Usually, it'd give out around like 3,500. But I guess the MSD, it gives you more peak power towards the end of the band, you know? So that's one thing I noticed for sure. Like, it just feel like it just kept on pulling. I'm like, okay. But, you know, he said it looked good, too. He said he pulled more timing out of it. So, we about to see. He's just fine-tuning everything. So, after this next one, it's all full throttle, you know what I'm saying? This is it. So, all right, man. I'm going to get back with y'all when we do the next log. Curve, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. You see that curve? It just keep on pulling. It didn't drop anywhere. That's crazy. That MSD is nice, y'all. Yeah, get y'all one. I was trying to get it while he was looking at it, but on the thing, when it does the math to calculate the torque and the RPMs and all that stuff, I just seen that the car is making 476 wheel horsepower. So that's pretty good. 476 wheel horsepower. So when I get the headers installed and the full exhaust system, we should be at 500, around 504, 505, something like that. So I need y'all to leave a comment down below what y'all think the car is gonna make. I think it's going to go like 505 once I get the full exhaust system on. That's what I think it's going to be, like 505. I like those numbers right now though. I like what I see. There we go. There we go. That sounds pretty good. I'm expecting this time for it to be crazy. I'm expecting it to be crazy this time. The first drop was crazy, and that's when it was detuned a little bit. Oh yeah. When I had backed up a little bit, I felt it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna crack the window for y'all. Oh, they give me open road? For me? Not for me, cuz. Let's do this, y'all. roasted tires. Ooh, I likes this. I likes this, y'all. Oh, y'all. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, this is nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I'm about to turn on the GoPro for my last pull so y'all guys can see what the RPMs look like, because I forgot to turn that on, but I'm about to get that for y'all right now. So this should be fun for me and y'all. Should get y'all excited. If y'all thinking about doing the same miles, y'all can know what to expect. When I seen on the computer, it said 476 horsepower. See? Oh, we got open roads, y'all. Sound good back there. I mean, the pops are more vicious. They like pop, pop, pop. You know what I'm saying? They ain't just like boom, 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 boom. No, they popping. They popping for sure now. I ain't even got the headers yet. Catalyst headers about to sound like gunshots. This still with 2 cats on because I deleted the first set of cats, and it's the MPP open. So yeah, it sound good though. You know me, I just want that raw, that rowdy raw. You know what I'm saying? That room. I want people to hear me from like 2 miles away. I want that. It's a little nauseous, but that's what I want. So yeah, all right, man. We got that logged. So we back from that log, man. The thing was going crazy. He said this should be it. Yes, sir. I don't know if this light is showing. I hope it's not dark, because you know it should be enough light going on in the car. 494 horsepower. Math doing on the HP tuners from the torque to the RPMs. It did all the math. 494 horsepower is what I'm seeing, and 494 horsepower, 406 pounds of torque. Well, no, that torque. Well, I don't know how the torque is. Let me see. He's scrolling through it. Okay, y'all. So he's uploading the final tune. From the numbers I posted, I showed you guys, it said 494, and it said 409 pounds of torque. I don't know if that's correct. You know, I don't know if that's correct. That's torque though. 409 pounds of torque. All right, man. That's the end of the video. We done, man. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and get those. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. There's more content coming soon. I'm gonna get some reactions of the cartoon here very soon. So I just want to start out the week strong with y'all, because I know I've been saying we was gonna get the cartoon on Tuesday, but it was like some complications. So yes, sir, we about to get, I think this week I'm gonna be installing the springs on my car. I got a new jack too for you guys that was talking about that. I'm gonna show y'all all the tools I bought too. So that's it, y'all. Have a beautiful day. It's your boy Tazbegrinding, and I'm out. Peace. I just thought about something, y'all. I just thought about something, y'all. How I'm gonna end the tuning video without letting y'all hear how it sounds? Second, y'all. It's a little late, so we gonna get a quick one.